Good morning, viewers. And today we are here with a very special episode with very kind and very, I would say that with people who have vast experience in dealing with these special kids. Madam will tell us much more. And today we have Mrs. Shirish Pujari, Madam, who is the founder of Swami Brahmanand Pratishthan, and Sukanya Venkatraman, Madam. They both have been working for a long time with these special kids with special needs. तो मैम हम बहुत सारी बातें करें कि इन बच्चों के लिए हम क्या प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं या ये बच्चे अपनी लाइफ में कैसा करते हैं. बिफोर दैट आई वुड लाइक यू टू काइंडली इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ टू आवर व्यूअर्स.
My name is Shirish Pujari and I am a teacher by profession. I have done my B.Ed in special education and I have an experience of nearly 40 years working with children with special needs. Since the last 33 years, I am running an organization by the name of Swami Brahmanand Pratishthan, and we have children with intellectual disability coming here with us to study.
And ma'am, yourself?
My name is Sukanya Venkatraman, and I am the principal of the school. I joined as a special educator, and it's 30 years of experience with Swami Brahmanand Pratishthan and the special children in the school. So yes, as ma'am said, we have been working together as a team and we have seen a number of parents and a large number of students coming to us.
Before we move ahead, ma'am, हम स्पेशल बच्चों के बारे में बात करें. I wanted to know कि what motivated you to enter into this field? क्या वो था जो अचानक से आप कोई कैसे मतलब what motivated you to start this?
I was studying in Lala Lajpat Rai College at Haji Ali, which is very close to institutions which work for the physically challenged children with cerebral palsy. So रोज हमारे बस में बच्चे एंड पेरेंट्स होते थे.
अच्छा.
जो बहुत मैं उनकी स्ट्रगल देखी हूँ जब वो ट्रैवल करते थे बस में. बच्चों के थेरेपी के लिए लंबा जाना पड़ता था क्योंकि तब कोई ऐसी सुविधा नहीं थी. सो तब ने मैंने एक सोचा था कि अगर मैं काम करूँगी तो मैं ऐसे बच्चों के लिए और पेरेंट्स के लिए काम करूँगी.
अच्छा मैम, आपने ये बोला कि ये स्वामी ब्रह्मानंद प्रतिष्ठान, तो हमको इसके बारे में भी थोड़ा बताएं कि ये स्वामी ब्रह्मानंद प्रतिष्ठान क्या है एग्जैक्टली, किन के नाम पे ट्रस्ट है, थोड़ा हमको आइडिया देते हैं.
स्वामी ब्रह्मानंद है मेरे गुरु है, जो मेरे पिताजी हम बचपन में हमें लेके जाते थे उनके साथ
जी.
और जब मैंने ये संस्था खोलने सोची थी तो मैंने उनके आशीर्वाद से खोली है. तो उनके आशीर्वाद से वो चलती है. अच्छा. स्वामी जी अब नहीं है, मोर देन 40 इयर्स स्वामी ने अपना शरीर छोड़ा.
अच्छा.
लेकिन उनके आशीर्वाद है हमारे साथ.
हाउ नाइस, दिस इज सो टचिंग एंड सो नाइस. अच्छा मैम, अभी हम इस स्कूल में इस समय अराउंड कितने बच्चे होंगे?
In this school actually we have two centers. एक तो स्कूल सेक्शन है
जी,
वहाँ पर 69 स्टूडेंट्स हैं और हमारे पास वोकेशनल सेंटर भी है क्योंकि जब 18 साल के बच्चे हो जाते हैं तो फिर उनके लिए क्या करना है ये सोचकर फिर हमारे ट्रस्ट ने वोकेशनल सेंटर भी खोला. सो देयर अगेन वी हैव 60 स्टूडेंट्स. So in all we have almost 129 students.
wow,
That is in this building. And then we have another center at Uran where there are 40 students.
so around 200 students on an
Yes,
average
until now, yes.
ओके. हमारा मैम ये वीडियो लेने का जो सीक्वल था एक्चुअली कि हमने थोड़ा सा डाउन सिंड्रोम के बारे में अपने प्रीवियस वीडियो में बात किया था और वहाँ पे हमने कहा था कि पेरेंट्स को एक इन्फॉर्म चॉइस रहती है. कभी कभी दे रिफ्यूज़ टू हैव kid about a kid with Downs. They are okay with accepting the baby. तो एक तो मुझे ये जानना था कि आपके एंट्री लेवल पे हर साल आई थिंक एनुअली एडमिशन्स होते होंगे, तो कितने बच्चे आते हैं और वो किस तरह के स्पेशल बच्चे होते हैं, एक रफ आइडिया अगर आप हमको बताते तो.
See, almost 11 to 12 स्टूडेंट्स का हम हर साल एडमिशन देते हैं.
अच्छा.
And mostly we are seeing that students who are coming to us are more autistic children.
अच्छा.
Yes, Down syndrome भी आते हैं, but now we are seeing more number of children with autism who come to us for admission.
Okay.
And marginal number of children with CP. वो उतने नहीं होते हैं जितने children with autism बहुत ज़्यादा है.
ओके. तो मुझे ये भी जानना था कि क्या एज सही रहती है मैम आपके स्कूल में एंट्री लेने के लिए? अगर कोई बच्चा ऐसा हो तो किस एज पे आप उनको, अगर पेरेंट्स को चॉइस हो कि मेरा न्यू बॉर्न बेबी अभी है डाउन्स का और मैं उसको अब स्पेशल स्कूल में ट्रेनिंग के लिए डालना चाहती हूँ, तो किस एज में आप एंट्री करते हैं बच्चे
With the special needs children, we have to start immediately as soon as they are identified. जैसे ही हमको मालूम पड़ता है कि हमारा बच्चा स्पेशल है तो जरूर इसकी डेवलपमेंट स्लो होने वाली है, तो थेरेपी से इंटरवेंशन चालू होता है। जैसे उनको डेवलपमेंट में प्रॉब्लम है तो चलना लेट होता है, बात
अच्छा।
करना लेट होता है, तो इसके लिए एज सून एज यू आइडेंटिफाई थेरेपी स्टार्ट करो,
Okay.
इंटरवेंशन चालू करो। एंड हम लोग पहले 3 साल में लेते थे बच्चों को, लेकिन अभी हमारे पास काफी बच्चे हैं तो ये बच्चों को इतना अटेंशन नहीं दे पाते हैं, तो हम अभी 5+ से बच्चों को लेते हैं।
मतलब स्कूल में एंट्री का जो ऑल्दो वो थेरेपी पे स्टार्ट हो जाते
हो
हैं,
जाते।
लेकिन हम स्कूल का जो फॉर्मल एंट्री है वो बच्चों की वो
5 years।
5 ईयर्स पे करते हैं। मैम आप लोग का इतना वास्ट एक्सपीरियंस है इन स्पेशल बच्चों के साथ, तो एक तो बच्चों का एक इशू है और एक है उनकी जो सपोर्ट सिस्टम, जो उनकी फैमिली है, तो आप फैमिली को कैसे काउंसिल करते हैं ऐसे बच्चों के स्पेशल नीड के लिए? उनको क्या किस तरह का तैयारी देते हैं आप? कैसा काउंसलिंग होता है आपका?
या जैसे बच्चे पेरेंट्स को मालूम है, कभी कभी बच्चों को पहले से पेरेंट्स को मालूम है
हाँ।
कि मेरा बच्चा जो पैदा होने वाला है वो स्पेशल होने वाला है या डाउन्स के
Correct, correct।
है, लेकिन जब वो एक्चुअली पैदा होता है तो उनको उनके साथ काम करना पड़ता है, तो वेरी गुड सपोर्ट इज रिक्वायर्ड फ्रॉम all the family members, especially the mother.
Correct.
Mother requires a lot of support, and especially if they are in a joint family. क्योंकि बच्चे को बहुत सारा टाइम देना पड़ता है, उसको थेरेपी लेके जाना पड़ता है, उसके बाकी हेल्थ इश्यूज भी हो सकते हैं।
करेक्ट।
इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी डाउन सिंड्रोम है तो उसको और कुछ इश्यूज नहीं हो सकते हैं। कुछ बच्चे हमारे पास डाउन सिंड्रोम के हैं जिनको ऑटिस्टिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स भी है, विजन लॉस है, हियरिंग लॉस है, तो ये सारे भी इश्यूज हो सकते हैं। जो जितनी ज्यादा इश्यूज है उतना
सपोर्ट
सपोर्ट
सिस्टम
सिस्टम उनको
ज़्यादा
ज्यादा होना चाहिए।
क्योंकि क्यों ये क्वेश्चन मैंने पूछा ना कि अगर सर्दी है, खांसी है या कोई बहुत बड़ी, चलिए हार्ट की बड़ी बीमारी है, तो वी नो कि एक पैटर्न रहेगा, एक ट्रीटमेंट हो जाएगा और इवेंचुअली बेबी विल बी रिकवर। बट ये जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं ये तो इट्स गोइंग टू बी फॉर लाइफ लॉन्ग ना। बेबी विल इम्प्रूव विद ऑल द थेरेपी बट इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी लाइफ लॉन्ग। तो काउंसलिंग भी शायद आज मेरा जो मेंटल स्टेटस है वो कल नहीं होगा, तो पेरेंट्स का काउंसलिंग भी हमेशा चलता ही रहता होगा, ऑनगोइंग
हमारे एक्सपीरियंस में जब भी पेरेंट्स आते हैं हमारे पास, दे कम विथ सच वरी, सो मच ऑफ सैडनेस कि पहले तो हमको उनके साथ बात करना पड़ता है। वी हैव टू टॉक टू देम, वी हैव टू टेल देम इट्स ओके दैट यू आर स्पेशल, दैट्स व्हाई यू हैव अ स्पेशल चाइल्ड, and it is okay to overcome this. We can overcome this. We can train our students so that they can become independent,
at least partially independent.
Yes, partially independent.
Yes.
तो fully नहीं supervision की जरूरत पड़ती है, but it's not a bad scene. So once they start listening to us, they start having faith कि चलो ठीक है, इतनी भी बुरी सिचुएशन नहीं है. There is somewhere to go. There is something we can do.
Yes, so because that support is provided by institutions like yours, जहाँ पे एक ये है कि they can hold on to something where they know that, and they must be seeing the other babies who are doing better. तो मुझे वो भी बताइए मैम कि ये नॉर्मली जो बच्चे हैं दोनों डाउन्स और ऑटिस्टिक, ये आपके एक्सपीरियंस में कैसा करते हैं?
See, it all depends on training. Of course, another factor is the IQ level of the child.
Okay.
जितना IQ लेवल उसका हाई है, yes, we can expect a good improvement from the child. And where the IQ level is low, there will be improvement, but it will be slow. जहाँ पर severity बहुत है, our expectation should be lower.
Right.
According to
Agreed.
me. Our expectation should be lower because we know that the child is having a severe situation.
Correct.
And वो जितना कर सकता है उतना करेगा, definitely. In activities of daily living, he can become independent. बट आप एकेडमिक्स बोलो या बाकी चीज़ें बोलो, उसमें शायद उतना अच्छा नहीं कर पाएगा जितनी बाकी बच्चे कर रहे हैं। बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू चिल्ड्रन विद माइल्ड इंटेलेक्चुअल डिसेबिलिटी, यानी कि 50 to 70 जो IQ होता है, दे रियली कैन डू क्वाइट अ लॉट. Like they will excel in sports, they may excel in dance, music, even in studies they will be in a better position to do. Yeah, but it is the middle group, that is the moderate level of students, जिसके साथ ट्रेनिंग अच्छी हम कर सकते हैं.
So
They can
there
be
is a
well trained.
right.
To
So there is a
whatever you
scope
do.
Yeah,
that
there
they
is a
can
scope.
achieve their
Yeah.
optimum
Yes.
level with the
Yes.
good
But-
training.
With good training, everywhere training should start from the beginning.
Correct.
And right from home. कोई स्कूल में आप नहीं भी डालेंगे तो चलेगा, लेकिन it all starts from home. How well you are making your child independent in their daily living skills.
कम से कम अपना जो है वो केयर वे भी ले ले.
अपना.
हाँ, मतलब अपना जो बेसिक
हाँ.
नीड्स हैं उतने का भी अगर अच्छा ट्रेनिंग करके उनको अच्छा केयर दे दे तो दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी रियश्योरिंग टू द पेरेंट्स.
Very nice. And one thing is that we should always be, they will not become totally independent
ये तो
at
है.
whatever level, because supervision will be required lifelong.
ओके,
So that is always a worry for parents who are already with us. Ki what after us?
राइट.
What will happen with the child? Because IQ is low, so many of the cognitive abilities are affected. So naturally, we cannot expect that child will be fully independent.
सो मैम यहाँ से एक क्वेश्चन आया बिकॉज यू आर वर्किंग सो क्लोजली विद सच किड्स कि ये जो बच्चे हैं जब एक पीरियड है कुछ तो पेरेंट्स को मतलब ऐसा होता होगा कि पेरेंट्स आर नो मोर, तो क्या कोई ऐसे एनजीओ के बैकअप्स भी होते हैं जो ऐसे फैमिलीज़ को काइंड ऑफ उनके बच्चों को उनके बाद भी थोड़ा बहुत सपोर्ट करते हैं?
See, there are a few residential homes which are started by parents themselves. And they run this, but they're very few. But there are many may not be able to afford these residential homes.
True.
Because government homes are very few.
Right.
So that is a big challenge.
So you
Today,
feel
as
that
of
there is a
today,
gap between
There
what
is a
you
gap.
are
Yes.
providing,
Yes.
what parents are providing, and
And
what the
then,
cat,
yes,
the
what is
kid or maybe
actually
that time the adult what really requires.
Yes.
So we just hope that one day the government starts focusing
Definitely.
little on this also ki
Yes.
what beyond the parent or
Beyond
what the thing.
Yeah.
So very nice. मैम ये जानना था मुझे कि आपके स्कूल में बेसिक कि जैसे हम लोग मैं आई एम अ डॉक्टर, तो मुझे पता है कि जब मैं MBBS में जाती हूँ तो हमको एनाटमी, फिजियोलॉजी, बायोकेमिस्ट्री ऐसे 3 ब्रांचेस हमको पढ़ने होते हैं. तो यहाँ जो बच्चे आते हैं उनके क्या ब्रांचेस होते हैं, मतलब उनके स्टडीज़ या उनका कैसा दिन कैसे शेड्यूल्ड रहता है एक रफ?
from morning when they come in the school section, they have various activities.
Achha.
And we have a curriculum.
Okay.
In that curriculum, there are different areas. When they are young, we always focus on their independent skills. So eating, toileting, dressing. Usually what a child will never learn at home.
Correct.
It has to be taught in the school for a child.
Right.
Then we have socialization, communication, because these are the areas these children will lack.
Okay.
Then we have motor skills where the child's mobility is affected. So we have an occupational therapist.
Achha.
Then you may have a speech therapist in the school. You may have other therapists in the school. And that way there are many areas. Then once he is 18, he or she, the child will go to the, because now he's an adult. So now the vocational training has to start. So that is depending on the ability of the student.
Correct.
Depending on the ability, the child may take up some trades. But these are not very trades where, unlike normal, this is simple. We have in our school, we have like candle making, we have so many festivals in India. So we take advantage. So children are taught how to make rakis, how to paint diyas, how to make candles and chocolates. And now we have other skills like embroidery, housekeeping, all these. And they do well. But it is to be
Supervised.
It has to be supervised. It is one-to-one training.
Right.
And it takes a long time for them to learn.
So, but if at all some kid who has reasonable amount of IQ, not very, we are not talking about the severely, जिनको हमेशा tendering, but those who are doing better, इनको अगर ये vocational train कर देते हैं तो can they become little better at whatever they do?
Definitely.
They can work independently. They can run their own small
Because
outlet.
if they know कि बस मुझे इतना काम करना है तो शायद उनका brain भी वैसे ही train हो जाता है.
मतलब बहुत सारा
They might not be able to take a instant decision
Yeah.
of anything,
Yes.
but if they know कि morning में उठ के मुझे इतने 10 दिए बनाने हैं तो वो अपना वो
कर सकते हैं.
Yes.
that much they will
Some
be.
of the characteristics of Down syndrome children are they're very neat.
अच्छा.
They are very perfect whatever they learn. They don't like things being here and there. They're very good at dance and other things. And they're very systematic and disciplined in some way.
So I'm sure कि when you all train, they all these qualities are kind of they
Yes.
come out and they can
Yes.
you can make a lot of these are the developmental
Yes.
advancements which the kid can make.
Correct. And
Very
there
nice.
are Down syndrome running. We have a student who is running her own cafe.
Wow.
Then a Down syndrome girl known to us is a very good Sanskrit. You can call her a Pandit now because
Wow.
she's teaching
Wow.
and she's done a MA
Right.
and Sanskrit and from SNDT college and is a gold medalist.
Wow.
So we have autistic Down syndrome children who have also performed very well and working in open employment
Right.
also.
So we covered a lot about Downs, and I'm sure if somebody wants to know much more, we will be providing the website and they can
Sure,
visit the
sure.
institute and learn much more. Now turning just a passing word about autistic kids, ma'am. How do they do normally?
Again, it depends on their IQ. Most of them have some special skill that we need to find out what it is. And once explored and once you train them in that, they do very well. But yes, they have a lot of challenges in with respect to socialization and also getting a control over their
Sensory.
emotions, their senses, and so that leads to a lot of behavioral challenges,
Correct.
which come in the way of their development.
Right.
That is seen in other kids also. It's not that, but with children with autism, we see that more because they are not able to tell us what they want. We are not able to understand what it is that they are trying to communicate to us. But it comes out in the form of a tantrum, or it comes out in the form of a challenging behavior, which disturbs not only the child but the entire class. So we need to work on, it becomes very important for us to first work on the behavior, then side by side along with working with other skills.
So
It is very challenging.
I'm so overwhelmed because you as teachers are absolute notch ahead. It is very easy to teach people with normal IQ, this requires like a constant motivation personally also, because the changes are so subtle and it takes a long time. So absolutely it is like, what should I say, we are so overwhelmed and we are so thankful that you are contributing such amazingly to the society, and these things are not on the focus every day. There might be some special day where people are meeting and they are focusing on it, but you are living with the kid every day and focusing on those little things, what we can do to make their life a little better. It was such a pleasure talking to you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks a
Thank you
lot
so much.
for giving so much of time to us. So we spoke a lot and these were the questions from my side. But ma'am, इसके beyond अगर आप अपनी तरफ से कोई भी message हमारी society को देना चाहते हैं, it will be a pleasure to hear you.
Accepting these children at home and in the society is very important, because even parents and family need support. So also in the society, these children have to live and be included. So I think they have to be very sensitive. We all, as normal people, whom we call ourselves normal, but we
Yes.
have to accept them as part of our society and extend a helping hand to the child and to the family.
To the family, I completely
Mainly
agree.
to the family, because the family, especially the mothers, are most often targeted, by the society.
pressurized more
Pressurized.
than-
Yeah, they have to take care of their child. They have to take care of their people in the home who continuously keep pointing to them for God knows what reason. But yeah,
I'm
the
so sorry,
mother-
but I have to ask you one more question because it just happened so कि अगर किसी मदर को पहला बेबी जो है वो अबनॉर्मल है, तो आप क्या सजेस्ट करते हैं कि दे शुड प्लान अनदर बेबी? अगर जेनेटिक कुछ ऐसा, मतलब आई एम नॉट सेइंग अबाउट द रेकरेंट डिजीजेस विच विल अकर इन द नेक्स्ट बेबी, वहाँ तो वो वैसे भी नहीं लेंगे, बट अदरवाइज इफ व्हाट इज योर पर्सनल advice to such
We
parents
definitely suggest,
जिनको कि
yeah.
एक बेबी abnormal है तो
We
second
definitely suggest that they go for a second child,
Okay.
because it is also motivating for the parent and would be very helpful for the special child
Okay.
who is in the family. Of course, we do
Genetic.
those counseling and those
Counseling
testings are
is
very
very
important. We don't
Yeah.
want another abnormal
Yeah,
baby.
yes.
But if at all there is a
Yes, yes,
possibility of having a healthy
Definitely
baby,
should try.
Yeah.
thank you so much. It was such a pleasure talking to you
Thank
both.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.